God damn, I love sweets. But how do you enjoy them without looking like one of those wankers that refuses to grow up? I think these gummy bears might be just what I need. I'm thinking about writing a children's book. I've always felt Goldilocks needed an update because those bears were fucking twats, and luckily I've got some inspiration for a new take on them. You smell that? That's real coffee, innit? Not furthiol or 4-hydroxy or whatever the fuck that means. And the taste? Proper cold brew. And I don't have to endure some cunt in a flannel and a beanie telling me about his SoundCloud to have one. If I eat this whole box, it'll give me the kick of a shot of espresso. And nowadays, I prefer to get revved up that way as opposed to a bumper Charlie Sheen. That's the age we live in, yeah? I have a box of lavish German gummies to get a spark instead of some marching powder. Fucking hell. Honestly, one of the things I love the most about these is that I don't feel like a fucking child eating neon shite out of a pink bag. And when I'm not feeling like a bitter bastard, I go for these iced vanilla latte bears. But don't go thinking I've suddenly started wearing yoga pants and bought some slags for a Stanley tumbler. These have the same coffee extract but half the caffeine. And they're fucking delicious. Now, when you've finished your hard day and you want to settle down to a nice glass of bourbon, but the missus wants you to curb your drinking because you had one too many, and you're trying to bottle the pizza guy, thinking he was a home invader, and then he comes in and then you whack him one, and then it just turns into chaos, doesn't it? But you tell her it's because you like the taste of bourbon. Do I have a surprise for you? Sugarfina has a single barrel, Blanton's flavoured non-alcoholic bear. So you can have all the deliciousness of that sweet brown elixir without all those nasty side effects of fighting your mates and pissing yourself. I have a feeling Blanton's might replace the little horse on their cork with a cute little bear. Now, back to this book. Once upon a time, there was a burglar named Goldilocks. She found herself inside the house stealing the television.